Yo, first order up. We've got a 7-Eleven pickup. This one is $6 going 1.5 miles. Morning. Just had to pick up for Brian. Thank you. Finally got the next order. This is going to be on Earn by Time now. Current rate is $17 an hour. This is going to be a McDonald's going just under 5 miles.
Hello, thank you for choosing McDonald's. Are you going to be using the mobile app today?
Morning.
Who's that delivery for you?
Thank you. In all caps, it says, "Do not ring doorbell." No tip on that one. Total ended up being $5. Finally got the next order. This is a Starbucks going 4 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $6 and change. Next order up, we've got an IHOP going 6.5 miles.
Thank you so much. You got it. Cream and sugar, everything in the bag.
Gotcha, thank you.
Also, have a good day.
You too. Bit of a wait in there, but I didn't really mind warming up a bit. Morning. What's that for you?
You look so cold. I had to go for one of those little fun things, a colonoscopy. Will you take care, okay?
You as well. Oh yeah. I don't mind a little chit chat. This is always a really good drop off. Total for that one was just under $18. Just got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8 going 4.5 miles, only one item. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is basically the same details as the last one that I just did, almost word for word. I got this order as I was dropping off. This is a kitchen table cafe, $10 going 3.5 miles. Zach.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We've got a Jamba Juice. We've got to order this one as per usual.
So our prices from DoorDash to our store are different because DoorDash hasn't updated their prices in a while, like a couple years.
Okay.
So if you'd like, you can reach out to DoorDash and they can add more money to your card.
Okay.
Or you could just cancel the order and someone else will have to deal with this.
Currently waiting for them to figure their thing out. They're getting there, slowly but surely. Normally I would have left as soon as they told me that there was an issue, but I am on Earn by Time, so take all the time you need. Oh, we almost had it there, but now they're telling me that it declined because the charged amount is higher than expected, which was the original issue, yes. Then they told me the subtotal should be $33.61, when I told them that the total they gave me was $32.36. Please make that make sense. Thank you. You too. Well, that is something. We are 20 minutes past the estimated pickup time now. Keep in mind, they give me like 5 to 10 minutes as soon as I get here to pick up. So pretty much I've been waiting here for about half an hour. So I know I'm gonna get paid a decent amount just from base pay alone since it took so long, but question is, are we getting a tip out of this? Oh, there's actually a really good tip on that. What the heck? $7 tip. And total for that order was just under $20. Just got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $12 going 6 miles, 4 items. For some reason it's asking for ID. I have no clue.
I think it's because it says root beer.
Oh, probably.
I was kind of confused by that too.
Sure. You got your ID with you? I got another one for you. Just got the next order. We've got a Krispy Kreme. This one is going 7 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $14. Next up, we've got a kitchen table cafe. This one's going 8.5 miles.
Thank you.
For Daryl. Thank you. Total for that order ended up being $16 and change. I would say not worth it because I'm actually in the middle of nowhere and got a long drive back home. Okay, I'm gonna call it here. Gonna head home, grab some lunch, and probably head back out again because it is Super Bowl Sunday, so the day has only just begun. Current time is 10:29. That is a cow on the street. What the heck? Hopefully it finds its way home. Anyways, as I was saying, current time is 10:30 now. Total, we ended up with 126. Pretty good start. If I had to guess, I know for sure I can double it today, but maybe triple. Depends on how the night goes. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.